Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today's class is about gametogenesis, and the topic gametogenesis is very much important for class 12 as well as those who are preparing for medical entrance means NEET. So let's start about gametogenesis. Gametogenesis means production of gametes. Already you know about gamete. Male gamete, these are testes, and female gamete, these are ovaries. So there are two different kinds of gametes. In male body, male gametes means testes, and from testes sperm will produce. So production of sperm, and similarly in female body ovaries are present, and from ovaries ovum will release or ovum will produce. So I will discuss about gametogenesis, and under gametogenesis I will discuss now about spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means production of sperm, and production of sperm means sperm produced in male body. It is very much important for to fertilize egg. So sperm produced in male body. Location of spermatogenesis, that is in seminiferous tubules in testes. So in our testes there is seminiferous tubules. So within the seminiferous tubules there will be spermatogenesis, location of spermatogenesis. And the time period of spermatogenesis generally it starts in male body in adolescence period, age group of 12 to 13 years old, and it will continue up to the age group of 55 to 56, 55 to 50 or 60 years old. It will vary also. So these are about spermatogenesis. So I will discuss first about different stages to produce sperm. So the process of spermatogenesis or their steps. What are their steps are there? Number one, in our body there are spermatogonium. So in our body there are spermatogonium cells. Spermatogonium cells means these are types of germ cells. Spermatogonium cells are two types. One is type 1A, other one is type 2B, or type A or type B. Type A spermatogonium cells responsible as stem cells in our body, and type B spermatogonium cells responsible to produce sperms, means responsible in the process of spermatogenesis. Now the spermatogonium present in our body, as these are germ cells, so these are diploid number of chromosomes present in our body. So these are type 2 spermatogonium from which sperm will produce. So type 2 spermatogonium cells, these are diploid, means 2 n number of chromosomes are present, and therefore in growth phase, means in the first phase of spermatogenesis, in growth phase there will be production of primary spermatocyte, and it is also 2n, means diploid set of chromosome. As it is in growth phase, so there will be a production of primary spermatocyte from spermatogonium in step 1. Look at the structure as a diagram. It's a round like structure present here, that is spermatogonium. Here only Golgi complex and mitochondria are present. After that, when spermatogonium, primary spermatocyte will produce. So in step 1, when primary spermatocyte will produce, look at the structure. It looks like the round structure converted it tends to oval, and here the tail-like portion produced, it is primary spermatocyte. After and here is also Golgi complex, mitochondria, these are also present. This is primary spermatocyte. From primary spermatocyte, in meiosis 1 there will be production of secondary spermatocyte. So from primary spermatocyte there will be production of secondary spermatocyte in meiosis 1. Look at the structure here. The structure totally converted oval-like structure. Here is also Golgi body, mitochondria, these are present, and the long tail produced here, as well as the dense-like structure present here, that is secondary spermatocyte. So look at the structure, primary spermatocyte, it is secondary spermatocyte. After secondary spermatocyte, in meiosis 2, there will be production of spermatids. So from secondary spermatocyte, there will be production of spermatids. These are also due to meiosis 2. So haploid set of chromosome number. So their number of chromosome n. So from secondary spermatocyte, there will be production of spermatids. Look at the structure, ballon-like structure, means the head of the sperm is forming now, as well as the tail portion is totally developed here, not the tail of sperm. Here is the tail of the spermatids. Look at the structure, and also the mitochondria, Golgi body, these are also present. Now the next step is very much important, that is the production of spermatozoa or sperms, means production of spermatozoa or sperms. Production of spermatozoa or sperms from spermatid. The last step, that is production of spermatozoa or sperm from spermatid. It is known as spermiogenesis. The process of spermiogenesis is very much important. So what do you mean by spermiogenesis? Spermiogenesis means production of spermatozoa or sperm from spermatid. It is known as spermiogenesis. In the process of spermiogenesis, from spermatid, spermatozoa or sperm will produce. And look at the structure of sperm. It is fully the structure of sperm. Here the structure of sperm I have drawn here. Look at the structure. Completely it is the region that is acrosome, and therefore it is nucleus, and therefore it is proximal centriole in the dense-like structure. Therefore this portion, that is middle piece, and therefore tail is present. So that is the structure of mature sperm or spermatozoa. So here the structure of spermatozoa is very much important. You can also practice the diagram of spermatozoa. So look at the structure of mature sperm. Three parts are there. One is head, second part is the middle piece, and the third part, that is tail. In the head, I told you that there is Golgi body in spermatogonium, Golgi body, mitochondria. Similarly, in primary spermatocyte there is also Golgi body and also mitochondria. The Golgi body helps to convert it to form acrosome in the sperm, mature sperm. So acrosome will form by the action of Golgi body. And acrosome is very much important during fertilization. It helps to fertilize ovum in acrosomal reaction. After that, in the head region, nucleus is present. After head, means under nucleus, there is a small dense-like structure present. It is known as proximal centriole. Proximal centriole. After proximal centriole, middle piece is present. Look at the structure. Here is the structure. These are mitochondria. In part of mitochondria, these are the parts of mitochondria present here, and it is the part of tail, which it is the last part of sperm. It is mature sperm. So how spermatogenesis produce, how sperm will produce in male body? First of all, from spermatogonium, these are diploid number of cells, diploid number of chromosomes. So in step 1, from spermatogonium, in growth phase, primary spermatocyte will produce. After primary spermatocyte, there will be production of secondary spermatocyte, and from secondary spermatocyte, there will be production of spermatids. And after spermatids, there will be production of spermatozoa. The process by which spermatozoa or sperm will produce from spermatids, these are known as spermiogenesis. Now, it is very much important difference between spermatogenesis and spermiogenesis. Spermatogenesis, that is the whole entire process to produce sperm in human male body, and spermiogenesis, just the production of spermatozoa or sperm from spermatid, that is spermiogenesis. So it is about spermatogenesis. Next class I will discuss about oogenesis. Is very much important, also another part of gametogenesis. In gametogenesis, two parts are there. One is spermatogenesis, other one is oogenesis. That is the class regarding spermatogenesis. And one more important topic, that is the cross section of sperm, cross section of testes as well as cross section of ovary. In the cross section of sperm, cross section of testes, there is seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules is the location or site of spermatogenesis minded, and the spermatogenesis process starts in human male body at the age group of adolescence period, maybe 12 to 13 years old, and it will continue up to the age group of 55 to 60 years old. Thank you very much.